In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom token to Trust Wallet so it shows correctly in your wallet balance. First, open the Trust Wallet app and stay on the main wallet tab. In the top right corner, tap the token icon, the sliders /+ icon, to open the list of available coins. Scroll all the way down and tap Add Custom Token or Plus Custom Token, depending on your version. At the top, tap Network and choose the correct blockchain for your token. For example, BNB, Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, or another chain. If the network is wrong, the token won't show properly. Now, in the contract address field, paste the token's contract address that you got from a trusted source, like the project's official website or a major explorer, never from random DMs. When you paste it, Trust Wallet will usually autofill the name, symbol, and decimals. If it doesn't, type them in exactly as provided. Double-check everything, then tap Save/Done. Go back to your Wallet tab and you'll see the new custom token listed. Once tokens are sent to that address, the balance will appear automatically. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.